One.
One. No, it's not deep. Good that I did not jump. One. Nothing happened.
I told you. It's because the snow is wet. So it means
Now it went in my hand.
in your hand,
But
inside.
inside, yeah, the
Wow.
gloves. You can come out, love.
Why you do this nice? Take away all the snow here, please, because if not, it will be. Yeah, you see?
Yeah, it's
Because it's a wet snow.
yeah, it's dry snow. Come, maybe we go first. Come, we go first, then we can. Dishkoit, come, love. Ah, so, bhai, ये माहौल है. Snow is everywhere, and we are going for a little walk. We can go from this side, right now? Or you want to go from that side, and then we can come back. I think whichever side is nice. So by the way, in last vlog, we showed you in the night how it looks. Now you can see in day how it looks. Shane. But I think this guy's love came with a car and cleaned it up, no?
Yeah.
The whole area. So here, if you guys saw it, we were playing.
These parkings are our too.
Oh yeah, see, yeah.
And this is from this.
So
So this guy has to do it, no?
yeah,
It's his job.
yeah, absolutely.
We have nobody whose job it is.
But if we live in a building, then somebody does it.
Somebody took everything away.
Uh-huh.
It is like they haven't been outside.
Yeah, possible. Yeah, very much possible. No?
They were outside.
I love. Yeah, we can go from there. Yeah, that's nice. That's nicer. So we are making a small walk with my beautiful wife. Hello, wifey.
Hello.
So yeah, let's see how it goes. भाई साहब जो light पड़ रही है ना, look at this light. How sunlight. I have become like a child. Yeah, of course it's okay. This is my first winter here and snow experience, so I can be child. It's okay. And if you guys can see, these guys are doing the, what do you call this, love?
Schlittler.
If I zoom in, you see these people here, they are sliding. Wait, I will zoom in here. So the kids are playing. There you go. Oh, love, look at the forest. So this is the forest. And see how beautiful it looks right now. Wow, love. That's a really good thing we came today. But can we walk here also? Because okay. That if we walk from this checkbox, this also. I mean, we don't have to go further. I mean, we can, but I think there's no light. Oh no! Oh, maybe there will be light. I think you're talking about when we walk with the boys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that also could be interesting because the sunlight is falling that side. Yeah, there will
So
be,
we
I
just
think.
walk around this.
Yeah,
this forest.
absolutely, we can do that with pleasure. Haha! Thank you, wife,
For what?
for bringing me here. Yeah. Okay. Now we go, run. Whoa! Oh my God! Wow! That's crazy, huh? भाई साहब देखो क्या लग रहा है. It's so nice. ये देखो, cloud. It's a dream. Can you guys even see what we are talking about? If I zoom in, see this. It's crazy. Look at this guy. He's with his dog or son, whatever you want to call him. I call Bruno son, so you know, people can call their dogs. Yeah. Oh, look at this mountain. Oh, this is Alps. Mega. ऐसा एब्सोल्युटली मैं तो बौरा रहा हूँ एकदम ओ कुत्ता पागल हो रहा है दैट डॉग इज गोइंग मैड but we go from here right we don't go that side oh yeah so this vlog we are making specially for you yeah we have to go from here right when do you want to cross oh he's going super slow huh
Now it's going.
yeah okay come let's go let's go Bhai sahab so now we have to go this way oi nahi is quiet oh bhai sahab
Wow, make a picture here.
yeah this is stunning
It's super pretty. Here.
भाई साहब ये वीडियो के चक्कर में ना बड़े पंगे हैं वीडियो बनानी है इंसान थोड़ा सा वो हो जाता है पर जो रोशनी पड़ रही है ना और जो व्यू आ रहा है वो देखो पीपल आर स्टॉपिंग एंड जस्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर स्टॉपिंग बट यू कैन
Take a picture
oh yeah because it is
because it looks so
something
beautiful.
special which wow oh my god absolutely love this is magical and this is not everyday thing no so
And look there.
oh crystal
It's crystal, and you see the strange.
yeah that's an animal
Yeah,
which animal
it's a Wolverine.
wolverine
Wolverine.
Wolverine passed from here, right here. Okay. सन या आवाजें हैं बर्फ की वैसी ये है कुछ मामला हमारा लेह लद्दाख वाली वाइब You okay? I thought, but we are walking in middle of the road, right? If I'm not wrong. Good.
It's not a road actually.
It's in a way, it's road only. Yeah. Where's go ahead. ये देखो जिसका घर है वो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे तो भाई ये वीडियो ना मैं तुम लोगों के लिए बना रहा हूँ आई डोंट नो कितना लंबा वीडियो जाएगा बट आई एम मेकिंग स्पेशली फॉर यू गाइस सो या I make it so you guys can enjoy the snow through my eyes. That's the whole idea, but it's amazing. Oh. What?
The bird was there. Little bird.
Uh-huh.
From here, he's red,
Oh yeah?
and the rest is grey.
Maybe
So
it will come
pretty.
again. Yeah, these birds just fly away. Yeah. If we see it, we see it. If we don't see it, we don't. This is very kind of a thing because the time you get a little closer, no? Oh, look at these berries, huh? What are these berries?
You cannot eat, huh?
This is forest berries. Olaf, look at that.
Look at what?
This. Wow. Wife want to see, so let's see if we can really zoom into this. We cannot zoom in, but it's too far. But if you guys knows, put in a comment because according to me, they are the jets. They are the fighter jets, and you see that's how they cross it. They go everywhere. They don't have one direction. See, they go anywhere because they are not heading to any destination. This is just a practice going on. So they just fly everywhere or anywhere.
I was thinking the one goes. This goes to Italy.
No.
They go to maybe. Czech.
You will never see, first of all, you will never see the plane, the commercial plane. Yeah. You will never see a commercial planes flying together. Never. But only jets you will see them. They fly together.
They always start very together.
Yeah.
In 1 minute.
Yeah. Because it's fast, no? But look at your mountain. Oh, this is the beautiful Alps. भाई साहब पैसा वसूल एकदम तुम लोगों को दिखा रहा हूँ. And look, another one is coming again. See how many going in which direction. There is also up to the tree. And look at the sound. So beautiful. ये देखो भाई. So yes, ऐसा ये मामला कुछ मजे चल रहे हैं स्नो में. जीवन के धन्य है जीवन. And my wife. No, they're not a normal airplane. Love. I am telling you, they are not normal. You can't see it, they're not. If they are, then they are the jets. You know, in commercial airplanes also they have the jets. You know, right? Which are much faster than the other ones.
Like private jet.
No, not private jets. That so because you achieve
You see that's super big. That is not a jet.
jet. We go home, we Google it, okay? If you guys know, just tell in comment. So I will get also the answer if I'm wrong. But I'm 99%.
I never think on this.
Love.
I always was
How many
thinking,
times you saw the planes going? See how many direction they are going different. When you in a flight, there is always one zone, unless you go this or this side. In airports, you never changes this unless you control the whole area. The path is there. Path is very decided. The commercial airlines,
Yeah,
but these they don't have any.
This is Italy. This
No,
is all
they never fly like this. Love.
East Europe.
No,
This
no.
is North.
No, that's not how it works.
All this, you know?
भाई अगर तुम लोगों को भी if you have any ideas, you just put in a comment. But I know what I think.
I was thinking on this. I just
We
was
can
like,
Google it.
nice, I also want to fly with you.
Where we can Google it.
Want to stay
We
here.
can Google it.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, ready?
You also can sit and do
3,
2, 1.
1. No, it's not deep. Good that I did not jump. Oh no. Come. Snow. Look, I will kick. Ice, swipe. Okay. Thank you. This is super risky. Yeah, this is whole ice. And this is super slippery, huh? Oh my god. Huh? You can break it? Break? Check this out. So if you break it, this is all ice and this is super slippery. This is what it makes it. Yeah. Go. Oh, love, check this out. Shane. वो बंदी भाग रही है मेरी यार. वो देखो निकल गई. नहीं भाग रही है. मैं ना फोटो खींचने लग जाता हूँ. भाई अपनी आदत है, वो फोटोग्राफर अपने अंदर का जाग जाता है ना बार बार. हो शेन लव भाई, ये देखो क्या व्यू है यार. हो लव, दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल. भाई साहब ऐसी जगह रहने को मिल जाए मजा आ जाए. ये देखो यहाँ पे पूरा आइस जमी हुई है. So we have to walk really, really careful. As my wife says, be careful. So I have to be careful. Because she says, be careful. So I have to be careful. What is it? She's reading something, some special event is happening. Alright, so इसी के साथ we are about to reach home. And yeah, so that's how it looks like. Something like this. They cleaned up, I think, here. It was all snow, but I think somebody cleaned up for sure. No, but look at the layer of snow, love.
Yeah, because it was there
Snow.
here. And
This is a place I can jump. Love, yeah. Huh? Not?
okay.
Okay, let's do a final jump. Yeah?
The snow, it's really wet, okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
So this means it's hard.
No,
it's
it's fine.
paining. It will be same like there.
I will touch it. No, soft.
Okay, you do whatever you think like. Okay.
Eyes. Smile. Ready?
We are ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Nothing happened.
I told you. It's because the snow is wet. So it means
Now it went in my hand.
in your hand,
But
inside.
inside, yeah, the
Wow.
gloves.
In your glove.
Yeah, so that's how house looks like right now. Anyways, so chalo yaar.
Bye bye.
We finished the vlog now. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, hit the subscription button. Take care of yourself.
Oh look, they also did a snowman.
Oh yeah.
A real snowman.
They did it big one, huh? Yesterday we made this one. Chalo. Okay, love. We say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care and hit the subscription button.
Yes.
Bye. Ciao. Beautiful.